Okay, as you can see, I already in the Microsoft Excel up here. All right, and I key in something, all right, so that I'm gonna use for the printing. Okay, printing are a very common requirement in your paper. All right, so you need to print quite a number of documents as evident. So pretty simple. File, print, and you will see what you have on the top. But read the questions requirement carefully. They're having cases where you need to print in the middle, all right, in the middle, not on the top, but in the middle. So how do you do this since all your stuff, all right, are actually on the top of the page? Well, go to your page setup. You will find a margin, all right. You don't have to change all this. It is actually here. Print center on page. Do you want it horizontally or vertically? Click OK and you will see this. All right. Then only send it to printing. And always check, make sure you set it to the correct printer, right, as the examiner inform you during the exam.